Hello everyone. In today's video, we will learn how to deploy microservices using Jenkins. Let's get started. First, log into your GitHub account and create new repository. Click on New, give your repository a name, and make sure it's set to private. Then click on Create Repository. Now the repository has been created. Next, open your command prompt. We need to set our global email ID and username. Run the command git config global user.email. And also we need to set our name. After setting this, navigate to the directory where your project files are located. Now set email and username locally. Okay, now let's understand what is Git init. It initializes a new Git repository in the current directory. Git add. It stages all changes, new, modified, or deleted files like this in the current directory for the next commit. Go to your GitHub repository, copy this command. Now go to your repository, reload it. Now you can see here your project has been uploaded. Now go to EC2 instance. Now next we need to install Maven, Java, Jenkins, and Docker on our server. Start by installing Maven. First take root access. Then go inside OPT directory. Okay, Maven has been installed. Clear the screen. Now Now let's install the Java. Let's check the Java version. Yes, it has been installed. Now clear the screen. Create a bash file to set the Maven path. Let's create one file, bash profile. Okay. This script sets the Maven home variable to point to Maven's installation directory and updates the path so you can Maven commands from anywhere. It's that simple to get ready to use. And save it and run source. And running source bash profile applies changes made to your shell configuration, like adding environment variables without restarting the terminal. Now check the Maven version. Yeah. Now install the Jenkins. Now go to Jenkins website, and for Linux you can see here for Debian or Ubuntu. Copy and paste this. After installation, you can access Jenkins by using the IP addresses of your instance and with the port number of 8080. Now copy this, copy this, paste it here. Install suggested plugins. Now go to Manage Jenkins, Plugins, Available Plugins, search Maven, install Maven integration. After this, go to Manage Jenkins, Tools, Maven, add Maven, Now go to new item, here the name, select my one project. Okay, you need to paste your GitHub repository URL, add credentials. That's it. Apply and save. After this, click on build now. Now the build has been successful. Now go to your RDS. Make sure your RDS is running. Okay, now RDS is running. Go to VS Code. In terminal, run the command npm create package. Run the command WSL. Now sudo local login. Oh, now go to EC2 instance. Next, we will create a Docker file for our microservice. Start by installing Docker. Sudo apt update. Sudo apt install. Now clear the screen. Now create one Docker file. Okay, now let's understand this script from OpenJDK 11. It uses OpenJDK 11 as the runtime, then sets up a working directory for the app and prepares the application to listen on port number 4706, then copies the jar file to the container and launches the application with the java jar command. This container will run the GTS Cities service application and expose it on port number 4706. Exit and save it. Okay. Now create another file, push.sh. In this line, we are copying the jar file. Move the jar file built by Jenkins into a suitable directory for Docker to use, then building the image. It creates a container image for the application tagged with GTS cities 2.0.1 and running the container. It starts the container in the background, exposing the application on port number 4706. Save and exit. Okay, permission denied. We need to set permission. No, check container is running. Yes, status is up. It's running on port number 4706.